Inside a real estate deal. Let's get started.
Thanks again for showing me the place, Rachel. After reviewing my portfolio, I think this property could be a good match.
That's great to hear.
The unit on the 18th floor caught my eye. Do higher floors cost more in this building?
Yes, units above the 15th floor usually cost about 3 to 5% more. That's because they offer better views and less noise from the street.
Makes sense. What kind of return can I expect from renting it out?
The income from rent is around 3.8% of the property's value each year. After fees and taxes, you'd keep closer to 2.9%.
That's reasonable. What's the current occupancy rate?
Around 92%. Most units are owner-occupied, which helps maintain a stable community.
Good to know. How responsive is the building management to maintenance issues?
Very responsive. Most requests are handled within 48 hours, and residents rate them highly.
Are pets allowed?
Yes, small pets are welcome. There's even a pet-friendly zone in the clubhouse.
That's a plus. What facilities does the clubhouse offer?
It includes a gym, swimming pool, reading lounge, and a multipurpose hall. Everything is well maintained.
Are there extra fees to use those amenities?
No, they're all included in the monthly management fee.
Great. What's the typical resident profile here?
Mostly professionals in finance, law, and tech. It's a quiet, respectful community.
That suits me. Are there good schools nearby?
Yes, the property falls within the catchment of 2 top-rated primary schools.
That's useful for future planning. How's the sound insulation between units?
Excellent. The developer used double-layered walls and acoustic glass.
I didn't hear any noise during the viewing, which is a good sign.
Exactly. It's one of the building's strengths.
What's the history of this unit?
The current owner bought it brand new and lived here with his wife. It's never been rented out or occupied by anyone else.
That explains the condition. Any reports of water leakage?
None. I've gone through the maintenance records. There haven't been any issues with this unit or the ones nearby.
That's thorough. Which direction does the master bedroom face?
Northeast. You'll get morning light without the harsh afternoon sun.
That's ideal. How's the air circulation?
Very good. The unit has windows on both sides, allowing for cross-ventilation.
I saw the kitchen is closed off. Is that normal for this type of unit?
Yes, this kind of unit usually has a closed kitchen. It helps keep cooking smells from spreading.
Is the stove gas or induction?
It uses piped gas. A lot of people like it because it's easier to control the heat.
That's a plus. Are the appliances included?
The oven and range hood are included. Fridge and washer are negotiable.
I'll keep that in mind. What's the ceiling height?
2.9 meters, slightly above average, which adds to the spacious feel.
It did feel open. Any structural columns that limit renovation?
There's just one near the kitchen. Otherwise, the layout is quite flexible.
That's good. I may want to open up the dining area.
That's doable. I can connect you with a licensed contractor for advice.
Appreciate that. How old is the building?
Completed in 2020, so just over 5 years old.
Still relatively new. Is the warranty still valid?
The developer's 3-year warranty has expired, but the building's insurance still covers the structure.
Any known defects in the unit?
No issues have been reported. I reviewed the inspection report from last month, and everything looks good.
What's the condition of the flooring?
It's the original hardwood and has been kept in good shape. No bending or scratches.
What kind of windows does it have?
They're double-layered with UV protection. That helps with insulation and energy efficiency.
Any smart home features?
Yes, it has smart lights, a digital door lock, and a thermostat you can set to your liking.
How's the internet set up?
It uses fiber optic, so you can get speeds up to 1 GB from big service providers.
That's essential for my work. How's mobile reception?
It's strong. The building is set up to ensure good signal on every floor.
What's the parking situation?
1 dedicated space included. Additional spaces can be leased.
Is it covered parking?
Yes, it's in the basement, and monitored by security at all times.
Any electric car charging stations?
Yes, for stations available. Usage is billed monthly.
What's the asking price for this unit?
$1 million. The owner is open to reasonable offers.
Is that negotiable?
Yes, especially if you're ready to move quickly and keep things simple.
What's the stamp duty implication?
As a non-first-time buyer, you'll be subject to the standard rate.
I've considered that. Are there any other costs involved?
Legal fees, agency commission, and registration fees. I'll send you a full breakdown.
Can you recommend a solicitor?
Certainly. I'll send you a short list of reputable firms.
What's the timeline for completion?
If you proceed this week, we can target completion within 60 days.
Can I get a copy of the ownership document?
Absolutely. I'll send that along with the land search record.
Thanks, Rachel. Are there restrictions on renovations?
Interior renovations are allowed with prior approval. Wet works and structural changes require submission of plans and permits.
Understood. What's the land lease term?
The lease runs until 2060, with an option to renew.
Standard. How's the air quality in this part of the city?
Generally good. The area is slightly elevated and benefits from sea breezes.
That's a plus. Any major developments planned nearby?
Yes, a new commercial complex is under construction 2 blocks away. It's expected to increase foot traffic and amenities.
That could raise property values. How's the noise level during construction?
Minimal. Work is limited to weekdays and the site is well managed.
That's manageable. Are there green spaces within walking distance?
Yes, there's a public park 5 minutes away, and a waterfront promenade just beyond that.
Great for morning walks. How's public transport connectivity?
Excellent. The nearest train station is about a 7-minute walk, and there are several bus stops close by.
Convenient. What's traffic like during rush hour?
It can get busy, but the area has dedicated bus lanes and good traffic flow management.
Thanks, Rachel. You've been very thorough. I'll discuss with my team and get back to you within the week.
Take your time. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let me know if you'd like to revisit or explore other options.